Climate change and extreme weather events are significant threats to Australia's agricultural industry. Floods, droughts, and bushfires are happening more and more frequently. They destroy our crops, reduces the supply of fresh produce, drive up inflation, and ultimately threatens our food security. So how can we make our agricultural system more resilient? We need to understand how plants respond to these stressful situations. Our research aims to understand how plants produce ethylene, a hormone that plants use to communicate with each other at the molecular level, especially during stress. We're working to understand the structural and mechanistic features of the enzyme that produces ethylene. Targeting these features will allow us to understand how plants talk to each other and regulate the biosynthesis of ethylene, and ultimately allow us to develop strategies that can make crops more resilient to the changing climate.